Okay, so today I thought I would start making, I don't know, a couple of little videos about some really easy Christmas tutorials that you can use. Obviously, we're using some of our stock, but we're using some stock for some other places. So hopefully I can give you a couple of hints and tips along the way. First of all, I was looking through my stash and I found like all these cute little frames. Aren't they gorgeous? So I was putting together last week's oh, look at me pumping my camera. I was putting the iris folding packs together, which are super cute, by the way. And I found like some cute little star frames and some teddy bear frames and some ovals and all sorts of things. But those star frames and just, yeah, the few circles and any bit of this and a bit of that. So I thought, let's come up with some ideas for it. So what I've found is I found this cute little Christmas tree. And at the moment, I'm doing all my Christmas cards, getting ready. Obviously, as everyone knows, that time of the year. And I was in Kmart the other day and I found these washi tapes. Aren't they the cutest? I think they were like $4 or $5 for a box. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little rolls. Don't know how much they're going to eat, but yeah, cute little washi natives. And I like traditional cards are cool, but I really love the natives and anything with a little bit of shimmer. So I thought they'd do great for this project. So what I'm going to do to start is I've got just one of our 210 GSM white cards. Excuse a little mark. I use the seconds that we find in our batch that we don't send out to you guys, but I don't like to waste anything. So today I'm going to use one of our seconds. So first of all, to get started, I'm just going to measure to the center of the card. So we've got 12.5, so it's like around about 6.25. Don't have to be spot on. And I don't know if you noticed that I'm using that cute little Couture Creations magnetic workstation mat, which is really cool because you can get all your lines straight without having to mark two sides, which is always handy and makes things quicker, which I always love. Fast is good. And I know the center of the tree is the point there, so we're good. And I'm just this card is a little bit bigger than the card blank I'm using, so I'm just gonna do it around about. Like I'm not super fussy. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mark the tree just roughly because I don't want to use more washi tape than what I need to, right? Like who likes wasting? So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a guide. And I thought what I would do is rather than just using one color, I'm just going to use like a little bit of everything. So starting from the top down. Oh, I'm going to have to find all my ends now. Just like a really simple. Oh, here we go. Note to self, maybe don't use light colors because you can actually see that line through. So I might actually, before we get started, I'm going to delete that line. So we've made that heavy line disappear there. So I'm going to start now and I'm just going to do like a little row for each cover. Just going to mix it up a little bit. I always use these little, had these little Cutterbee scissors forever. And they're still my favorites. They're so sharp still, but great for doing small cuts. And I'm just going to do these the actual tape width. You could do them smaller or larger or smaller, like 1 or 2, or you could overlap them. But I'm just going to do one of each. Mix it up a little bit. I love this shimmery gold one. It's so cute. I think this little native set would be perfect, especially for like your overseas card. I think they're so cute and very Australian. Look at this cute little pink one with the cockatoos. You think they're cockatoo? They look like cockatoos to me. Maybe like a Major Mitchell or something, I'm not sure. But super cute giveaway. Same gown, just go through. I think we'll put this one next. It's got like a nice little bit of wattle in there, and it looks like a little pink wattle, which would go nice next to the cookie. And I love this because this is just such a simple, easy technique. Like anybody can do it. It doesn't take long. Anyone that knows me knows I like projects I can start and finish quite quickly. So this is perfect for me. Super cute. And one more row. I think there's a nice little green one at the bottom. Should finish it off beautifully. Now we're just going to check here and make sure that we've got the whole area covered properly. Look at that, isn't that cute? Beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get some double-sided tape and just pop it on here. So I'm just going to use some of this little skinny double-sided tape, nice and easy to use. I just want to put it around the tree because I don't want any lifting after I've applied it. I'm just going to put it all the way around there. And we'll just peel off. So you don't have fingernails, you can use a little pair of scissors or your tweezers. Should get a good push down, or you do what I do, and I was lifting up the sticky as well then, which we don't want. And let's not get that. So I'm just going to put this aside here because that card, like I mentioned, is a little bit bigger than what I need it to be. So now to attach the card, I'm actually going to put my double-sided tape around the edge of the card as well. And make sure that we get a really nice adhesion layer. Is that a word, adhesion? I think it is. So there we go. Last side. Put that back there. Let's just get the backing off that tape again. There we go. Last one. There we go. Beautiful. So now again, I've still got that. I deleted or erased the line at the top there, but I left a little bit just so I can still center it. So I want to make sure I've centered it, get all of my colors of tape here. Make sure it's straight so I can use my guides on my mat again, which is always helpful. Do that. I don't know why I moved that then. Let's just up again. So yeah, using my guides on my mat to make sure that my Christmas tree is straight. And we're just going to press that down. Look how cute that looks. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it over. And I can use my cutter now to trim back. And so this is my cutter again. This is like my scissors. I've had this for so long. It's my old Cutter Bee one from when I very first started doing a little bit of card making back when I used to have Ian and Mandy when they had Blue Edge Crafts actually. So yeah, it's these things. It's made to last. I love it. Still cuts beautifully, which is fantastic. So we're just going to take off all of those sides. So this magnetic mat is fantastic for making sure everything's straight and in alignment. Look how neat that is. Like no overhang at all, which is always great. And if let's go this way, I like we're doing so better. Let's just square that up. Probably should have arm out on this one, seeing as I'm cutting up the other end, but I'm doing it a little bit quickly. The magic of the video. And then obviously I've got this little bit here as well. So I just also want to trim that off as well. I could have trimmed this before, but I just was just super prepared, let's be honest. So doing herself a little bit to think and see anything doing it this time. I should definitely have done it before. And what we might do is we're just going to cheat and we're going to do that one with a quick nice. Beautiful. All right. So I've just taken that off onto my mat. I've just given it just a trim with my little knife there. So as you can see, we've got our cute little Christmas card here. This one, like I said, I did it on the 210 GSM. It's a little bit of a lighter weight card, but I knew we were putting another frame on the front, so I think it's heavy enough. You can leave it like that or add a Christmas sentiment. I was going to put one of these on. I'm not liking the red actually now, so I think I'm going to go find a gold. This is always a nice little Merry Christmas. So this is our DD2716, which is very popular, and we've just restocked all of our stickers at the moment as well. And find my tweezers, well, lookies. And these are super easy again, just peel straight across. In a scrap bit there, we'll just get rid of that. I just generally like to hold them in the middle. Again, when you've got your little mat like this, great for finding the center, which is amazing. It's quite a long one. I'm going to cut it from both sides. We'll just that looks pretty straight to me. Give it a nice press yes. And voila, what do you think? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a like. And if you'd like to see another technique or have some ideas of something you'd like me to demo, just call out and we'll see what we can put together for you. Thanks.